travel here. By gold dust.
But if there's a lost engine, maybe there's a lost railway, too. Mr. Conductor's railway.
The journey gets bumpier and bumpier. That's what Mr. Conductor told me.
Oh, he talked about buffers in his sleep. Buffers are at the end of a railway. I think that's how we traveled here, on a secret railway.
Belonging to the lost engine. Percy, you are clever. Ooh, my wheels are suddenly feeling very wobbly. I think Diesel's around here.
I'm sorry, you two. Diesel heard every word you said. I'm going after him to see what he does next. You'd better carry on and get the mail delivered.
Oh, you're very brave, Toby.
Oh, Diesel won't bother with an old engine like me. He thinks I'm really useless.
Who wants to work and live long? There he is. Come in. Join the party. What? Rich, join the party. It's over. Just like Winkle's Magic Railways in the meal. God.